Woke up early yesterday with some things I had to say. Don't know who will hear, but my voice is clear. From the storms I used to hide, kept my feelings safe inside. When the clouds rolled in, I felt I could not win. I used to be unseen and heard, could not say a single word. Took as much as I could take. Now get ready for the quake. Let it rain, let it rain. I don't fear it anymore. Let it rain, let it rain. I'm walking out the door. I don't know if you can see the change that came over me. And from now on I'll always be a force for the free. I see a lot because I look. I know what they did and what they took. Don't know if we'll get back, but at least we're on track. Come and join a merry band. Hearts and heads go hand in hand. We'll march ahead without that sense of dread. You used to be unseen and heard, could not say a single word. You took as much as you could take. Now get ready for the quake. Let it rain, let it rain. You won't fear it anymore. Let it rain, let it rain. Just walk on out your door. Ask everybody, can you see the changes that came over me? And from now on you'll always be a force for the free.